Mario!
Bowser?
Whoa.
What was that for?
I'm a butterfly. Yeah.
Idiot.
What was that for?
Because I want your hat! And I'ma take it too.
Why do you want my hat, Bowser?
Because I wanna wear it! And I'ma look good wearing it too.
Mama Luigi, come on, let's get my hat back.
I don't wanna.
I need your help to get my hat back, Mama Luigi.
Change me.
I don't want to change you. It's gross. You pooped yourself.
Yes, I did.
Come on, Mama Luigi. We have to go get my hat.
No, okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Where did Bowser go? Still at my house.
Oh, I think he went that way.
Let's go.
And over there, we have another house. It's open daily.
Shut up, Luigi. We need to find my hat.
Shut up. I'm SpongeBob.
We might find a cat.
I'm
Then I will give you a pat. Oh, I got powers.
I'm SpongeBob. You're Squidward.
Nah.
I'm happy. You're sad. You're grumpy. Ocean man, take me by the hand.
What are you doing?
Singing.
Why?
Because it's not loud enough
I
out
need to
here.
find my hat.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Mama Luigi. I got upset. I apologize.
Where do you think Bowser could be?
He could be down there somewhere. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I don't know. Maybe he's hiding in one of these tall concrete structures.
I don't think he broke into anyone's houses, Mama Luigi.
Well, you never know. He is Bowser.
That's true.
Bowser.
That's true.
Bowser's kind of known for breaking windows with hammers and taking shits on silk.
I don't think there's Princess Peach anywhere around. I think that's the only thing he really steals.
Yeah, Princess Peach is dead. She died a few years ago.
Wait, what? Princess Peach is dead?
Yeah, Mario, don't you remember?
No, I don't know.
She died on the Titanic.
No.
It crashed into an iceberg, and she didn't make it, tragically.
Oh, she didn't survive on the door.
Wait, I think I see Bowser.
Where?
Mario, if you want your hat back, come get it.
Okay, what's our game plan, Mama Luigi?
Let's run him over with a big truck.
That's so loud, though. Everyone will know.
Well, it depends if you went head or legs first.
What?
See, if you went head first, he wouldn't scream as much. But if you went legs first, a lot of people would know, but it would be pretty loud.
But how would you run over his head when he's standing up?
We knock him off the thingy, then we piss on him, and then we get the truck and we run him over.
No, Mama Luigi.
My name's Luigi, Mario.
No, you're Mama Luigi.
Yeah, I'm Mama Luigi. Where's Yoshi? Like,
He's dead.
what?
Okay, Mama Luigi. Chuck E. Cheese is a restaurant.
No, it's an arcade.
No, it's a
it's an arcade. See, there's arcade cabinets, which means it's an arcade, and also there's no dining room at Chuck E. Cheese. It's actually
Yes, there is.
it's a Mandela effect. People
Yes, there is.
confuse it
I've been there.
with Freddy Fazbear
I've been there.
Pizza.
I thank you, Mama Luigi. 'Cause you're
Oh,
wrong.
stop it!
They got all the tables. What? What?
Whoa, that was a loud noise.
What?
Hey, look, Bowser's gone.
Where is he? Where did he go now?
Oh no, we'll have to go find him.
Yes, we do, Mama Luigi.
Where are we, Mario?
I don't know. I've never been here before.
It looks strange, like Doctor Strange.
It does indeed, but that was not funny.
That was mean, Yoshi.
Okay, come on, Luigi. We need to find my hat. Look how my hairline. Look how horrible it is. What am I gonna do?
Oh yeah, that is pretty bad. Well, I sure hope that monster doesn't attack you again, Mario.
What do you mean, Luigi? It attacked you also.
No.
Dummy, you were crying.
No, I was just sad about you. Mario, look, it's Bowser!
At last, I can get my hat back.
Do-do-do-do.
Mario, we meet again. It's time for us to finally do.
I got first place.
Give me the hat, Mama Luigi.
Mario.
Futile efforts, Mama Luigi.
Mama Luigi, are you okay? Are you okay? You can make it, I promise.
I need to get the hat. Yeah. Yes, my hat.
I'm gonna get you, Bowser.
God.
That's enough, Mama Luigi.
Okay.
Well, I finally got my hat back, but... How come I'm not satisfied? Well, what's the point of going back to my dimension? Everyone's dead there. There's no point of going back, so where should I go?
Mario, are you okay?
Well, yes I am, Luigi. Let's go home.
Okay.